Zilly here, and I am super excited to show you AIRA Compact. These are innovative, fun, and easy to learn instruments that put Roland's creative magic in the palm of your hands. AIRA Compact is a family of portable instruments packed with powerful features and a huge sound suitable for any budget or skill level. In the line, we have the T8 beat machine, the J6 chord synth, and the E4 voice tweaker. Tap into unique, inspiring workflows using a collection of sought-after sounds powered by Roland's signature analog circuit behavior technology. Easily connect and sync AIRA Compact together for on-the-fly jams. Add other gadget instruments or integrate with the DAW using the extensive I/O, which includes MIDI, audio, and sync in and out, plus USB-C for charging and connecting to a laptop or tablet. AIRA Compact is powered by a lithium-ion battery, giving you hours of battery life to jam anywhere. Just flip the switch and go with the flow. Now, let's meet the gang. Take 6 tracks of banging TR drums, add a TB303 bass track, and what do you get? The T8 beat machine, a rhythm factory that fits in your pocket. Boasting decades of modern musical sound, the T8 gives you the power to create infectious tracks in seconds flat. Craft off-the-dome bangers with the intuitive 16-step sequencer. Shape sounds with the onboard controls. Flip and dice beats with simple tools designed to spark all kinds of ideas. Let's get to know the T8 by starting with any of the 64 preset patterns. The T8 comes with a curated collection of TR-808, 909, and 606 sounds across 6 drum tracks. Bass drum, snare drum, hand clap, tom, closed hi-hat, and open hi-hat, plus a very tweakable track of TB303 style bass. Next, let's check out the easy-to-learn hands-on controls. Finesse the sound of your drums using the tuning and decay controls. Shape your bass with 5 dedicated controls, including pitch, decay, cutoff, resonance, and envelope modulation. Add some effects with the delay and reverb controls here. Freak the beat with on-the-fly performance tools like step loop. And pattern shift. When you're ready to create your own beats, clear a pattern and dive into the simple 16-step sequencer for programming tracks manually. Or record in real time. Now that we got some drums, let's add some TB303 bass. Roll the dice and generate a random bass pattern here. This is a great way to come up with ideas and create a flow. I can record the bass in real time, either using the keyboard mode to play notes, accents, and slides, or program the bass step by step. The T8 has some depth in its advanced programming and effects capabilities, such as effect sends per instrument, velocity, shuffle, and more. In this pattern, I've added shuffle to swing the beat, substep for trilling the hats, and probability to randomize playback. Last step allows you to create interesting loop points and keep the sequence fresh. Turn on overdrive to add grit to the bass or drums. And make the mix pump with sidechain. Next, let's check out the J6 Chord Synth, an amazing sounding pocket synth great for creating inspiring chord changes and musical phrases. The J6 has a ton of uses, from a standalone synth to a MIDI-based chord generator for other instruments to a powerful songwriting companion. It's packed with chord sets known as genres, plus styles and variations for creating arpeggios, chord rhythms, and other musical phrases. I can play single notes in this mode. I can also switch to genre mode to audition any of the 100 chord sets. The sound on the J6 is big and rich, modeled after the legendary Juno 60 and powered by Roland's acclaimed ACB technology. I can explore 64 preset sounds and use the hold button to sustain my notes. I can then shape the sound using the filter and envelope knobs and add delay and reverb with the dedicated controls. Style mode creates a ton of auto-generated patterns. There are controls for the basic style, 9 in total and 12 variations per style, which include things like arpeggios, chord repeats, and strums. The J6 also comes equipped with a powerful chord sequencer that helps plot out and program ideas. Each sequencer step can hold a single note or 4-note chords. I can also program styles and variations on each step. Now the entire chord sequence can be played back and looped with a variety of phrases. Each step on the chord sequencer can be set to a different measure length, and patterns can be programmed up to 64 measures. The J6 is an amazing standalone machine, but also has a ton of other uses. Using the USB-C or MIDI port, I can connect to my DAW and use the chord sets, style and variation, or chord sequencer to control software or hardware synthesizers. Now let's check out the E4 Voice Tweaker, a wildly jammable effects box that harmonizes, auto pitches, vocodes, loops, and glitches anything you feed it. Create stacked harmonies, robot effects, beatbox ensembles, or whatever else you can think of. The E4 works with a dynamic mic, which plugs into the 1/4-inch input on the front. You can remove unwanted noise using low-cut filter and the noise gate. The slider controls on the left allow you to change the pitch and format, and the slider on the right can be assigned to control reverb, echo, delay, or chorus. Auto pitch can be used for subtle pitch correction or hard-stepped vocal effects. You can assign key and scale to match your song or lock the pitch to a single note for a robot effect.
Resistance is futile, human.
The harmony feature allows you to add up to 3 harmonies at different intervals that can lock to the key and scale that you set previously. Finally, there's a vocoder which adds a wide range of synthesizer waveforms, including sawtooth, square, pulse, or noise. The E4 also has a versatile looper with up to 24 seconds of recording time. Use this to create multiple overdubs or quickly undo and redo ideas. Further manipulate loops or live audio input using the scatter knob, which applies tempo-linked effects like slicing, panning, filtering, bit crushing, and pitch effects. The E4 will automatically detect the BPM of any loop, or lock to the tempo of my other AIRA Compact instruments. You can easily connect AIRA Compact or other instruments together using the mix, sync, and MIDI jacks.
Tell my little Brody if he know me, then we down. I'm not really tripping if y'all see.
Chain audio, sync tempos, and use MIDI clock to lock in stop and start actions. Plus, execute seamless program changes for extended live jams.
Point 'em out, 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 point 'em out.
I can also use the USB-C port to connect to my laptop or tablet for routing audio or MIDI directly to my DAW. For more information about AIRA Compact, visit Roland.com.